Welcome to this quick video on using the Format Painter in Google Sheets. So rather than having to make multiple changes to any data that you pull in that doesn't match the rest of the formatting, so the colours, the border styles, the number formatting pieces that you would have put in, is it set as a percentage or a currency, and decimal places and things like that. Rather than having to do all of that separately, you can use the Format Painter to copy and paste the formatting and change it. So you can see at the bottom I've got 3 rows there that I've pulled in, and I've got the wrong colour text. I may have the wrong font. Looks pretty similar. The email doesn't present in the same way. It's not the right colour. The order amount column G, they're not set up as currency, and they've got decimal places, whereas the others don't. And there's no borders on any of this. So what I'm going to do is just select one of my options. So I'm going to select the full set of row because I want to copy the format across the whole table. And then in the top bar, I have 5 from the left. I've got a paint roller that says paint format, and I'm going to copy that. And I'm just going to go in and select all of the cells I want that format to drop into. And you can see there, it's nicely now changed the colour of my text. My email addresses look the same, and look at the order amount. It's now presenting as a currency, and it's removed those decimal places. It's done something a teeny tiny bit weird to my order date at the bottom, so I can just go in and make some changes to that. But all the rest of my formatting is done immediately with one button. So I just need to select what I want to copy the formatting of, and then click on that Format Painter, and then just select where I want that format to happen. And it just really speeds up that process and makes sure the data on your tables, on your sheets, are nice and consistent and visually easy to see. So please have a go at that one. Do like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see me record next.